Let's look at part 2, the vocabulary. Corresponding angles. Well, that has to do with when you have two parallel lines in a transversal. The corresponding angles are the ones that correspond, the ones that are in the same place on both parallel lines. Those are corresponding. Isosceles triangle. An isosceles triangle has two sides that are equal or congruent to each other, and that needs to be marked with those little symbols. This symbol means ray, R-A. Well, the first letter is always the end point of the ray, and the second letter is the direction the ray is headed. It starts at R and it's headed towards A forever. It needs an arrow on the end and a point on this end. That's it, ray, R-A. Collinear points. That means points that are all on the same line. Collinear points. I took anything from 2 points to 3 points to a lot of points. Minor arc, EF. An arc is on a circle. A minor arc goes less than 180 degrees around the circle. And I'm going to shade that in like that, just to show that's what I'm talking about. Vertical angles. When two lines cross, the angles that are across from each other are called vertical angles. That's one picture of vertical angles. Another picture might look something like this. These two angles are also vertical angles. And we've learned that vertical angles are congruent. In fact, we proved it. Circle O circumscribed about triangle ABC. It's easier to draw the circle first, I'm just going to tell you, and draw the triangle second. A, B, C. Circumscribed means it goes around the outside, as in circumference. Circumference of something is what goes around the outside of the circle. This is circumscribed, as in circled around the outside of the triangle. A regular pentagon. A regular pentagon does not look like a house. It looks like this. Now, this is a sketch. You can construct a regular pentagon and it will be a lot better. It looks a little like that, and you need to mark that you intend for all those sides to be the same length. And in fact, all the angles are also the same size. Tangent line TG to circle O. Here is the center of circle O. Here is circle O. A tangent line touches it one time. That can be T or G, it doesn't matter. It does say line, so I'm going to put arrows on both ends. Notice that all of these are sketches. A sketch means I can just freehand it and mark what I want to be true, and we just accept that that's what I intended to do. Some of you constructed some beautiful stuff down here, and that was a little more work than was necessary.